How to convert 0.875 to fraction in simplest form. Okay, we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. We have 3 digit after decimal, we have written here 3 tenths. To simplify this fraction, in one step you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction to its lowest term in multiple steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This number has 5 at the last, so this is divisible by 5. This number has 0 at the last, so this is also divisible by 5. You will get 2, and if you divide this by 5, what you will get? Look at here. 5 goes into 8, 1 time 5, 5, subtract 3, bring down this 7. 5 goes into 35, is 37 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 2, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 25, 5. 175, right? 175. 175. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. We'll get 2, and we'll get here 3, 5. Again, this is divisible by 5, and this is divisible by 5. 7 will get, and we'll get 2. So basically we are getting 7 over 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 7 over 8. 7 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 7. You will not get any two numbers between 1 and 7 that produce 7 if you multiply. 1 times 7, 7. So 7 has only two factors. If you get numerator or denominator, between numerator and denominator, if you get one prime number, then you are done. That is, your calculation is completed. You can think.